How to link EA to Twitch. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can link EA to Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to link EA to Twitch, all you have to do is simply open up your browser and then you want to go to ea.com/twitch linkin. I repeat, ea.com/twitch linkin. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Now when you go to ea.com/twitch linkin, here you'll find the option to sign in with your EA account. So over here, just make sure you go ahead and then sign in with your EA account as well. Now it'll take you to this page where you can link your EA account to Twitch. All things that you have to confirm is make sure that this is the correct EA account that you want to link to this correct Twitch account if you'd like. Now you can tap the link accounts option to link them. This way you can link EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.